Welcome to ATech. Today I will tell you that how to send one-time view picture and videos on WhatsApp. So first of all, open your WhatsApp and select the chat. Now I will select a picture. I will open my gallery and I will select this one. Here you can see one-time view option. So I will click on one. Click OK and now I will send this message. So this is the preview. You can see one-time view option on it. So now I will go to my other WhatsApp to whom I send this picture and you can see this preview. I will download this and you can see one-time view is written on it. So I will open it. Due to privacy you can't see this picture. So you can see this message is opened because I recently opened this. I cannot open it again. So in this way you can send one-time view picture and videos on WhatsApp. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.